Hi guys, so this is BTC USD. Sorry, let me delete this. I believe it's going up. We're going to get it coming here at least to the zone. So from here, because it's formed a double bottom and it's a bullish engulfing, and it's actually within a channel, and it's had the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch with a double bottom and a bullish engulfing. So I'm looking for market to basically, oh, where's the arrow? Yeah, so to market to do this is what I am currently looking at for this market, guys. Let's stay tuned and see how this plays out. Okay, let me delete all this because it's not relevant right now. This is from past observations. And this as well. Okay, it's already going up, guys, but yeah, we were just leaving the entry zone when I turned the camera on. Okay, and it's basically gonna get here, and let's see how this plays out. It's just basically trading a pattern. Okay, you can see it's had its first touch, second touch, probably gonna break out with the third touch, and here we've had market at the bottom, touch, 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 and then double bottom with a bullish engulfing. And this is a 3 minutes time frame, guys. Okay, so I'm looking for this to continue upwards to here, and it's moving pretty fast. Like literally when I turned on the camera, it was literally there, but well, at least when I was setting up to turn on my camera screen recording. So this might actually play out really fast. It might complete the move. So we just left the entry zone. This was the entry zone, and this is the TP. Sometimes market moves a little bit faster than I can keep up, but yeah, this is what I am looking at. Already left there, and yep, BTC USD 3 minutes time frame. I will be back to see how this trade has played out, guys, but I'm looking for this to be a win, and of course stop loss would be somewhere underneath here, which would let's use the tool here, long position. Okay, this is what I'm looking to happen, and you know, usually I have it like I guess in this one you can manage to have it to 1 to 5, which is a good, yeah. So this is it for this one, although market did play out pretty fast on this one, but yeah, I will be back in a jiff when market has finally made it here. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This was the entry zone, take profit zone, market is headed there. Not to let this video drag on, let's continue to wait. Hi guys, so market is moving, and considering I think when market gets here, this would be a good area to collect partials, just because market would probably hit a resistance, which is the top layer of this channel that basically I saw the buy entry for. So it would be wise to collect partials here, at least partials, or if not all of the trade, to be fair, but at least partials here, and then see what happens, because market might basically give a retracement or something before any potentially getting here. But here, because it aligns, this wick here aligns with this block, which I think will be hit when the candlestick pretty much hits this top resistance line for this channel that I highlighted for it. So let's stay tuned. I will be back. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a real struggle, honestly. At some point, I was just like, this trade is taking its sweet time. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, so from earlier on, if you look at the timestamp from earlier, when the video started, you will know how long I've been waiting for this trade to play out. Okay, market consolidated quite a bit. Okay, and then we have reached that zone because it didn't actually hit that zone here. Okay, you can see that was 8:30 in the morning when this candle formation formed. Okay, and look at the time now, it's like 4:27, so it's been a lot of time and a lot of consolidation. Even we almost got a wick out at the stop loss for this trade. Okay, market came back to entry multiple times and it's eventually gone up, and I said, okay, when you get here it would be wise to collect partial profits and then see how the rest of the trade plays out, and then this is where you would set the remainder of your trade in break even and see what happens for the rest of the trade. But you know what's funny? Even though this got close to the stop loss here on trading view, let me show you something. You can see here on my other chart view, can you see all the bottom? Literally this bottom and this bottom aligned. So on this view, market did not spike down as much than on the trading view, and this is the terminal that I use to trade, usually. So yeah, it's quite interesting to see how different candlesticks form on different time frames. Okay, anyway, so we have hit where I think we should have collected partials. Now let's see how, if the market will give the rest of the trade. Stay tuned. Hi guys, so we are back. Okay, and market came around the midsection between the first collection and the second collection. Okay, and I'm not sure what it's gonna do here, but let's continue watching to see if we were going to get that final zone. Okay, but it's come pretty far, this is pretty close, so it's good enough. If you see struggling, like certain candlesticks, even this red candlestick right here, it's enough to make someone exit the market. Literally, this red candlestick here, because it's appearing at a double top, and all of this is happening right here at this order block. So it's a potential sign that, who knows, indecision in market, potential mini drop, or I don't know, but let's stay tuned and find out. I will be back in a bit to see if it completes the move or narrowly misses us and reverses. Hi guys, so we are back again, and market did finally make it to the top. As you can see, the last green candle that formed before this current red candle basically made its way to the final zone. So yeah, this trade did play out. It took its time, literally. It's like, I don't know, it's like 9 hours for this to play out, because it played around a lot around here, so it was quite a painful one to keep going back and forth with, really. But yeah, we made it. Let me check the other chart, and this is what my other chart looks like. So everything is played out as I wanted it to, really. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, and if you want me to bring you more content and show you how I take my trades and stuff, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.